How to use DoNotPay, iLegal automation properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people assume that iLegal tools like DoNotPay can handle all their legal problems instantly, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that can lead to delays, incomplete filings, or even missed legal rights. The first mistake is skipping the verification step. DoNotPay guides users through automation, but beginners sometimes submit forms without reviewing accuracy. Small errors in names, addresses, or dates can invalidate requests or slow down processing. Another common error is overestimating capabilities. DoNotPay is excellent for simple tasks like contesting parking tickets, cancelling subscriptions, or generating basic legal letters. Beginners who try to use it for complex contracts, lawsuits, or estate planning risk missing critical legal nuances. Many users also fail to provide all necessary supporting documents. For example, contesting a ticket without uploading the proper evidence reduces the chance of success. Beginners must gather everything the request to ensure the process works correctly. Ignoring jurisdictional differences is another pitfall. Legal rules vary by state, and DoNotPay often requires users to select the correct location. Beginners who assume one-size-fits-all solutions may face errors or denials. Finally, some users neglect follow-up actions. DoNotPay can generate forms or send letters, but users must monitor responses and act promptly. Beginners who ignore updates risk deadlines or penalties. To use DoNotPay properly, verify all input, understand the tool's limitations, provide complete documentation, respect jurisdictional rules, and follow up on every case. Avoid these mistakes, and DoNotPay can save you time, reduce stress, and handle routine legal tasks efficiently.